Hello everyone, I am Aditya Patel and in this tutorial I am going to teach you how to create bootable USB drive of Kali Linux operating system. So for this you need two things. One is the Kali Linux system image file or the ISO file which you can get from the official website of Kali Linux. Second is the Rufus software, and the good thing about it is that you need not install that. So for the ISO file, open up the browser and go to kali.org, which is the official website of Kali Linux. Go to download section and then scroll down and search for this live boot. Only download this live boot if you want to create the USB drive of the Kali Linux operating system. So click on it, it will scroll down. For my operating system I need the 64-bit version, so I'm selecting it and then click on this download icon. It will start the download. It is about 3.5 gigs. I already have it, so I won't download it again. And the second thing you need is the Rufus software. For that, you can go to rufus.ie. Links are in the description. Rufus.ie. From there, click on Rufus 3.18 version, which is of 1.3 MB. Download it. And I already have it, so I will download it again. Then go to downloads and run the Rufus software. It will ask the permission. Click yes. And then connect the USB drive which you want to make it bootable. It will show up in this Rufus software in the device section. And mine is USB drive E, so I'll select it. And then here you will select the Kali Linux ISO file. Select it. It will take. And then let everything to be default. If you want persistence, which is the ability for your drive or the operating system to remember what you saved from the last session, then we will click here. Now my USB drive has 8 GB of storage, so I can get only 3 GB of persistence. But if you have larger storage on your drive, then you may get larger storage of persistence partition. So I will click 3 GB and then let everything be default and then click on start. It will ask for that. If it will reset everything and it also requires things to be updated. Click on yes. It will download a few tools and then it will give a warning that all data on this USB drive will be resetted or deleted. Click on OK. It will take some time depending on the operating system. So now we can see that it is completed and it's showing ready over here. And in the bottom right corner of the window, we can see the time elapsed in this. So for my operating system and the 4 GB RAM, which is very low, it took about 12 minutes and 49 seconds. So now your Kali Linux bootable USB drive is ready.